Stop chasing your umbrella across the beach. If you're tired of lugging around heavy gear just to get some shade, you're in the right place. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the best folding beach chairs with built-in umbrellas and canopies for 2026. We're testing everything from the 500-pound heavy-duty frames to the ultra-portable low-profile loungers with integrated coolers. Stick around to find out which chair is the ultimate must-have for your next tropical vacation or weekend getaway.
Product number 1. Nice Sea Beach Chair with Umbrella and Cooler. The Nice Sea Beach Chair is a masterclass in multifunctional design, effectively serving as a mobile base camp. For those who prioritize build quality similar to a high-end appliance, this chair delivers a heavy-duty frame that supports adults with ease while remaining remarkably compact. During our review, the integrated cooler bag stood out as a critical travel essential, keeping drinks chilled while the high-back design provided superior ergonomic support. The included umbrella is adjustable, offering customizable shade that protects against UV rays throughout the day. The unboxing experience reveals a professional-grade tool that feels much more durable than standard mesh chairs, making it a top-tier value pick for 2026. If you want a one-and-done solution for the sand that includes a cup holder and a sturdy carry bag, this is the definitive choice.
Product number 2. Alpha Camp Oversized Folding Camping Chair. While technically a high-back camping chair, the Alpha Camp model is a must-have for beachgoers who require extreme durability and a 500 pounds weight capacity. Featuring a reinforced steel frame, it mirrors the heavy-duty appeal of a premium mechanical keyboard. The layout is designed for maximum comfort, with a large side pocket for gadgets and deep cup holders for oversized tumblers. While it doesn't come with a built-in umbrella, its height and stability make it the perfect platform for a separate clip-on shade. In our 10-year veteran assessment, the breathable fabric and padded armrests make this the best option for long-duration sitting. It's an unboxing-ready gear piece that prioritizes structural integrity over everything else, ensuring it remains a staple in your RV or truck for years to come. Product number 3. Lamberia Folding Beach Chair with Umbrella. Low profile. Lamberia has perfected the low-profile beach experience with this portable folding chair. Designed specifically for those who love to keep their feet in the sand while staying shaded, this chair features a 300 pounds capacity despite its lightweight frame. The integrated umbrella is the star here. It is easily detachable and provides a wide radius of shade that is essential for tropical vacations. During our testing, the layout efficiency was impressive as the chair folds flat in seconds for effortless transport. It's a road trip necessity for couples or solo travelers who want a simple, high-quality setup without the bulk of a full-sized camping chair. The fabric is quick-drying and saltwater resistant, making it a professional-grade tool for coastal environments. Product number 4. Lamberia Folding Beach Chair. Enhanced Comfort Edition. This variant of the Lamberia chair focuses on the travel essential niche, offering a slightly more refined stitching pattern and reinforced pivot points. Like its sibling, it supports 300 pounds and features a dedicated umbrella slot that ensures your shade stays anchored even in a light sea breeze. The unboxing reveals a highly portable design that fits comfortably in the smallest of car trunks. We found the armrest height to be perfectly positioned for reading or lounging, mimicking the ergonomic focus found in premium seating. If you are looking for a reliable, sand-free seating solution that combines a lightweight build with effective sun protection, this Lamberia model provides a balanced value that is hard to beat in the 2026 market. Product number 5. Foristrail Portable Camping Chair 2-Pack with Canopy. The Foristrail 2-Pack is the ultimate gift protector for families or couples heading to the beach. Instead of a traditional umbrella, these chairs feature a built-in foldable canopy that provides a more stable overhead shade experience. This layout is particularly effective in windy conditions where umbrellas might flip. Each chair includes a cup holder and a side pocket for sunblock or phones, ensuring your essentials are always within reach. The unboxing experience is twice as satisfying as you get 2 fully featured chairs that are ready for hiking, picnics, or the shoreline. For those who want an all-in-one shade solution that feels robust and looks professional, the Foristrail canopy system is a game-changing innovation for the 2026 summer season.